If you see how the stone has a curve which has a very dynamic look, and the way it goes at the back gives it a solid, that gave me a major inspiration to start my project. Then I take the inspiration from the leaf by cutting it into half. You know how sharp it is? And then looking at the knife, it has a very sharp curve, and then it flows back and have a solid part in the end. The way each and every petal was attached to the bud gave me a feeling that we could strengthen the spokes of wheel. And if you look at this watch, you know the finish, how it looks like